Today we celebrate. Oh shoot! Hello. We all jump him today as a SHEDLETSKIES group. Whoa! Get him! Bro! No! One of the SHEDLETSKIEs! Whoa! Ow! Come on! We got this time! I need my chicken. Come on! Well, I barely did any damage to the killer, man. Why May? Are you challenging me? Oh! How did that hit? I wasn't even in the box. GG's. I'm so cooked. Oh. Now that's risky because everyone's a sentinel and like I can't stun the killer. No. I should eat my chicken. Ah! Yes, sir. Oh, bro, I suck. Yes. Oh, someone died? I didn't know someone died. Bro, come on, we got him! Yeah! No, we gotta keep going. Let's hope everyone's still SHEDLETSKIES. Yes. We need this. Yes! Everyone to server SHEDLETSKIES. Bro! Except for that one guy. Like, oh! I should be 1x. Cause like they're all going to jump me while I won't even be affected. That's why I'm going to beat this entire server when I'm killer. Wait, I'm gonna be hacker SHEDLETSKIES. Gasherboon! You killed Elliot! Alright. There's only one Elliot? Oh my god. I have to do this beautiful generator. I'm gonna try to do my quickest. So why are you just there? I can still go through, man. Got him. My guys, we jump him. We jump him today. It's now or never. Alright. I keep doing my generator. Alright. Okay, so let's keep being jumped. Yeah, alright, SHEDLETSKIES. We can actually stun the killer for now. Yes! Yes, jump him! We all jump him. Oh! Elliot's just there, bro. Bro, this guy's being targeted. I'm still helping out if I can. Thank you, Elliot. Thank you for healing him. Oh no! We angered him! Oh my god. Bro, Sheldeletski, please. We lost one! Double one. Sorry, need time. How dare you! Oh! Nah, but we keep jumping him! We keep jumping him! Come on. Come on, guys. We can all do this. Ah! Elliot, no! Early peace. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! Bro. Oh my god. Oh, can we jump him? Bro, he's gonna die. Not on our dot. It's all my fault. It's my fault. He said. Bro, another one died, bro. Bro, keep jumping in! Nom nom nom. Wait, am I next? Oh, I'm not. I'm not. Electric ball guy. Oh my god, it's gonna be a cool game. So it's gonna be a guest Elliot. That sucks. Guest Elliot. How dare! How dare! You beat Elliot. We all needed a freaking SHEDLETSKIES. Oh god, my throat hurts. Alright, tease. We got a cute kid. Cute kid. I do this generator. I do generator because I want malice so everyone can beat me up. Yes. Ta. Wait, I should have slashed him because like we're trying to yeah, jump the killer. Elliot. Oh, shoot. Oh, we're getting jumped. We're actually gonna die. Get 2-time broke teams. What? Why 2-time? The med kit. Did you see the med kit, bro? Oh my god. Come on. Get him. Bro, if I took that, you would have been dead meat. Oh no! The Elliot of our team. Ha. Imagine we could get cool kid limping. But everyone's being jumped. We might lose. Like, we might lose. Yeah, not. Oh my god! No, like, if he even slid by a little bit, I would have been hit. Oh my god. I would have been at 50 HP. Alright, go. Go find it for me, boyo. Well, I'm just getting my chicken. Nah, I got him for you. 99 HP goes hard. I know where's the final generator. I must do it. So I can win, and the round will go faster. But I swear to God, if some dumber dies, then I crash out. There's no way anyone would die here, right? Right? Bro. Anyways, we still won. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Oh, this guy's next. God damn it. It's a 1 egg. Yuck. Alright. I should be light ninja. You know what, actually, I'm gonna be a different SHEDLETSKIES skin that I might buy. John Forsaken. That goes hard. You know what? I'm gonna be Forsaken players, we hear you. In regards to noob being underpowered. Bro, I literally got 5 more SHEDLETSKIES right now. Bro. Let's do this. Oh, I love this skin. Even though it's really pay to lose, it's still funny. Yo. Like creation, like creator. Bro! What do you do? Bro, the skin is just so goofy, man. Why is it even worth 3,000, bro? Oh my god. I'm like, you ain't getting me? You don't even see me. The reason why the skin is pay to lose is because, killers can easily see you and you can't even hide because the skin is so tall. Alright. I can barely see anything behind me. That's also another reason why this is gonna pay to lose. I can't even see a lot of things behind me because, like, the SHEDLETSKIES. There's so many SHEDLETSKIEs on top of me to the point like it's pay to lose. Like, you gotta do this just to see the killer. Like, oh my god. Oh my god, he's dead. He's dead. That's facing you one. Death. I need to have a. How did that barely do any damage though? Like, it only did like. I don't even know. Or I have to go better because you have to get jump on every single SHEDLETSKIES. Wait, there's only 3. 4. Why is there only 4? We need more health. Oh! Oh! I'm literally zoomed out fully, and like I can still barely see any people. Oh, milestone for Selesky, by the way. Yeah, pizza. I can only do too much left, so I think. Whoa, why me? Why me? Why me? Stop. Bro, please stop. You're hurting our society. Oh, see what I mean, bro? Yum. Yes, we did it. I'm next. Oh my shit, wait. Alright, bro. I'm next. I'm still cooked, man. Alright, it's my turn. Bro, I'm so cooked, man. Look at the amount of Selestkis. Yo. Blue dude's coming too. I am. I want to beat him out. Bro. Oh my god! That was so unexpected. But I'm getting him later. Oh, it's got the actual hit. Still got him. You can get people who are friends. Like, get away! No! Get the hell away! No! Okay, I suck at Winner. Or is this the skin? Or the video? Because it's laggy right now. I don't know. At least 2 times died mysterious. Bro. Come on. Fight me. Fight me. How is that been? No. Who ate the pizza? So let's eat it. It was the cracker. Use the sword. Come on. Yes. Come here, freaking thing. Bye. Still got him. I wish I was. I should rejuvenate the round right now, so like I don't have to I'm just gonna go after Phillips. Alright, I'm gonna leave Phillips for the last one again. The base is really, really low right now. It doesn't matter. What? How did he die through damage? How do you die from... I think he just left. Bro, I'm so bad at 1x right now. Bro. Bro, I'm so rusty, man. I'm so done for. I'm not winning this. Like, I'm just rusty, dude. Yes. Let's go. Yes. Okay, I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.